plan B, what I did was, I wasn't about to cut the tile, although I did notch it a little here. I actually Dremeled, I took my good Dremel, and I cut this on down and top, and I pulled off this whole piece, or else I would have had to trim, the tile. And it came out nice, and the thing, it fits perfect. I mean, it'll look nice once it's all up and in there. And yeah, it worked out fine. This should set in a little because I have to put the thin set in the back. Now, being the size of these tiles, I was using LFT thin set, large format tile. But for this little piece, I'll just get a little tub of, whatever they have. It's not going to matter. And then the only problem is I forgot the color of the grout. So I'm going to probably have to take a picture. Actually, I could dig out a sample. That might even be better. But anyway, once it's done, it'll look that. And once I have the top on, this is kind of, you got to work around this because this goes on top of it, and this is how you set the temperature for the radiant heat on the floor. So it's a little quirky, but I'll figure it out. It shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, yeah. So I think it'll look good once I'm done. I'll add to this once I'm done, though. Okay.